Are you preparing for IELTS and worried about your vocabulary sounding too informal? Don't worry. In this video, I'll share 25 informal words and their formal IELTS writing synonyms to help you boost your score and impress the examiner. Let's get started. Let's begin with some common informal words and their formal counterparts. These will elevate your writing and ensure your answers meet academic standards. Get becomes obtain or receive. Example: students should obtain proper resources before studying. Show turns into demonstrate. Example can be: the graph demonstrates the increase in population. Fix is better as resolve. Example: we need to resolve these issues promptly. Talk about changes to discuss. Example: let's discuss the advantages and disadvantages of this policy. Help changes to assist. Example can be: teachers often assist students in understanding complex topics. Think becomes consider. Example: it is important to consider all options before deciding. Buy is more formal as purchase. Example: the company decided to purchase new equipment. Start transforms into commence. Example: the meeting will commence at 10 a.m. End turns into conclude. Example: the report concludes with recommendations for improvement. Try becomes attempt. Example: the government should attempt to reduce unemployment rates. Now let's see. Section 2. Descriptive words. Important sounds better as crucial. Example: it is crucial to address climate change immediately. Big is more formal as significant. Example: the study had a significant impact on the findings. Small becomes minor. Example: this issue is relatively minor compared to others. Good can be beneficial. Example: exercise is beneficial for both physical and mental health. Bad becomes detrimental. Example: smoking has detrimental effects on health. Finally, let's see. Section 3. Other common words. Need changes to require. Example: this project will require significant funding. Says becomes states. Example: the report states that further research is necessary. Want can be replaced with desire. Example: many students desire to study abroad.
Tell and form. Instead of saying, the chart tells us the data, try this, the chart informs us of the data. Much more formal, right? Improve, enhance. Instead of writing, the changes improved efficiency, say, the changes enhanced efficiency. Perfect for task 2. Change, modify/alter. The plan was changed can be upgraded to the plan was modified or altered. Both sound formal and precise. Find out, discover. Example: the study aims to discover new treatment methods. Like, appreciate. People like this feature is basic. Instead, say, people appreciate this feature. Sounds better, right? Deal with, address. This essay deals with pollution sounds too informal. Instead, write, this essay addresses pollution. Say sorry, apologize. He said sorry for his mistake can be formalized to, he apologized for his mistake. And there you have it, 25 informal words transformed into formal synonyms for your IELTS writing tasks. These small changes can boost your band score by making your writing sound more academic and professional. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit that like button, share it with your fellow IELTS buddies, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks. See you in the next video, and best of luck with your IELTS preparation.